Hello, ma'am. I'm Vaibhav. Here I am talking about the second experiment. Word count using RET transformation. Step 1. A text file named sample text is created with a simple sentence about Spark. Step 2. Spark session is created to handle distributing processing. Step 3. The file is loaded into an RET using text file. Step 4. Each line is split into word using chatpub, producing list of words. Step 5. Each word is mapped to a pair, representing counting intent. Step 6. Reduce by key aggregates word occurrences to compute final counts. Step 7, collects, retrieves, and print all words counts on the driver console. Step 8, finally, the Spark session is stopped. For the major details, the experiment performed the same word count task, but using a higher level data frame API. It shows how Spark SQL simplifies data analysis compared to low RDDs. After creating a Spark session, the text file is read into a data frame. The data transferred using Spark SQL function, such as explore split, separate words, and group by. The advantage here is SQL style operation and atomic optimization by Spark Catalyst engine. The approach is easier to read and maintain than RDD based transformation. The experiment illustrates Spark versatility. The same logic can be implemented in both functional and declarative.